Of all the places in the world, you may not expect to find very many Jews in Mexico City. But Adventists here are praying for this large, unreached people group. Mexico City is one of the largest cities in the world. Its metropolitan area is home to almost 22 million people, but only 65,000 Adventists. That's less than half of 1%. Rather than being spread throughout the city, most Adventists only live in a few specific areas.
We realized that we had a great need in a certain area of the city. In the West Zone, historically, it had never been possible to have a church in this part of the city. There have been many outreach attempts, but for 4 years, God has been wonderful, and miracle after miracle has been leading us to this day.
Given the area, the place where we are, geographically, sociologically, and economically speaking, we have a profile of people to reach. We are in the middle of a community that has everything. We are surrounded by people who live materially and physically well.
Knowing that the people also have spiritual needs, church members are starting a Jewish Adventist Cultural Center in one of the areas with the largest Jewish populations in the country. About 40% of the population is Jewish, which is why it is sometimes called Little Tel Aviv. In the 2010 census, the Jewish community in Mexico was about 67,000 people. Many of them are descended from immigrants who fled persecution and marginalization throughout the past centuries.
We realized that the strategies that always worked in common churches, this part of the city could not be reached. So we began to study what programs our church has worldwide.
I am very happy because we are in an area of the city where there was no presence before.
There are currently no Jewish Adventist congregations in Mexico. As Adventists in Mexico City take the next step, they need your prayers. With the new Jewish Adventist Cultural Center in a strategic area, they are confident that God will perform great miracles. Thank you for your faithful support of Adventist Mission worldwide and the mission offerings.